Ready? Go! Woo! Cheers to a new business, a new beginning.
I've been looking for a way out. I can't find my way now. I just need you by my side. Lately, I've been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back. Never look back. Never look back. No, never look back. Never look back. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone. When you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning, Williams fam. I hope you guys are having a blessed morning today. Do you guys know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Lunch day, guys. Oh, sorry for the lighting. I am so sorry. I literally just woke up, Mr. Williams. I've been up since early this morning, sending out emails and stuff like that to my email list. So if you have subscribed to my email list, you would have gotten a surprise this morning. And like I said, the first 10 people that has actually make a purchase on the website, there will be some gems for you guys as well that I will be dropping. So make sure to go and support your girl. But by the time you guys are seeing this, the launch has already happened. Thank you so much, guys, for the love and support, the comments I've been getting, the messages I've been getting in my DM. Like, thank you guys. This has been a dream of mine, and it's been coming for a long time. You're finally here. If you've been rocking with me from way back when I talked about it, that's why they always say sometimes it's best not to speak certain things until it's finally here. And even when I was doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes, I still kept it under wraps. I didn't want to release anything too early, much less release the release date too early and things not go the way I wanted to. But when God says it's time, trust me, it's time. And like they say, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Amen. Amen to that. So yes, guys, we are finally here. It's been a journey. And one day I will actually sit down and talk to you guys about the reason why it took me so long. Because if you've gone back in my vlogs, this business was supposed to be launched in 2019 and now we're in 2021. But certain things happen and then I had to figure stuff out. So this is the reason why things took me so long. Yes. So, but you know, everything happened for a reason and I am still grateful and joyful for it. And like I said, anything you want in life, you got to believe in yourself, because sometimes your partner won't believe in you, your kids, if you have any, your own parents, your own siblings won't believe in you, sometimes your closest friends won't believe in you. But as long as you believe in yourself and God believes in you, that is all that really matters. But anyways, I've been here. If you see, I am literally editing. So I've been up doing some last minute stuff. I was up till 3 o'clock this morning. After I got off from vlogging with you guys, I still stayed up. When I told you I was going to bed, your girl did not go to bed. I was up and Mr. Williams was running me to my bed, but did I go to bed? No. And then I was up early this morning and trying to get some stuff done, because I realized, yes, I had a little bit of glitch this morning with sending off emails, and I had scheduled the email to be scheduled on a certain time, which it did not happen, because I was like, okay, I didn't see, you know. So I asked, I had a email that when it's sent off, I can get it. I did not get it. So I was like, okay, no, it didn't work. So I went in and I had to manually send it off. So I've seen that people were receiving it, and whosoever was signed up to my email list opened it. So they opened up to a little bit of a surprise this morning. But you know what? I need to get up, get this place. Well, the place is already done and good. I need to get up. I'm going to go shower and wash my face and look presentable, so when I come back I would look better than what I'm looking now. I will look better than what I'm looking now, and at least the lighting will be much better. So let me go and get myself together, and I will be back. And you guys are gonna come live with me, well, on Instagram. So I'm going live on Instagram at 12:50 today to celebrate with everybody on Instagram, and we will definitely come live on YouTube as well and celebrate with our YouTube family as well for the launch. But it won't be today, maybe another day we can pick, and or maybe this weekend we can pick and go live. It is Faith's birthday tomorrow, so she's excited about that as well. But yeah, so basically we are Mr. William has to get up and go do a couple of running around just to kind of get things, you know, just a little bit of celebration, a little bit of setup, because it is a milestone and it also is a dream of mine. I will see you guys in a little bit.
So I'm here at thank you Party City to get a balloon for Shanika. So she said she wants KB. So Pete, where you gonna find that now? You got to ask? Who? KB.
Excuse me. Who would we have to talk to get one of the balloons, like the one with the letters? You would talk to us?
KB.
Yes. You would talk to us, but you would have to join the line, and then you'd cash out, and then we'd do your order for whenever day you like. Okay?
Yeah. But you have it, right?
Yes.
Okay, no worries.
You know when you took me a money last time?
So we are in Party City and they got a lot of party stuff here. Huh? Look at what?
Right there.
What?
Gumball machine.
Oh.
Come on. It's like practically a kid store, but there is cutlery in here. See, there's cutlery in here as
So
well.
we have a lot of stuff here.
We have black letters?
No.
Wire?
No.
That's not good.
We have the pink over there.
Silver the rose gold. Also, you can call money and off. That's so weird.
You have it in silver? So they don't have no color or what, so that's good.
I can look at number 4. Yes. Yes, 1K. K.
KB.
KB.
Yeah.
Silver kind of more neutral, eh?
K and D.
Yeah.
Or K and D.
B, that's okay.
Would you like to purchase a balloon weight
So it
or
doesn't fly up in the
a
air.
balloon bag
Yeah,
to
okay.
hold it?
Are you gonna get our weight?
So you have these type of weights and you have those weights over there. And I can hand it back over to you.
So it doesn't flow up.
much for the weight?
$2, $1.99.
Alright.
One of them you want or two?
Yeah, one is whole, yeah?
One?
Yeah, one.
Sorry?
Whole. That's it, eh?
And would you like a balloon bag for $1 to hold them or no? It looks like this, but it's big to hold it. You can't keep it in for more than an hour.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, go put my
You
car.
go without it.
So it's fine. You don't need all.
So you want balloon?
For what?
You blow up. Maybe two. You have
You
gold?
want these blown up right now, right?
Yes, please.
You have gold balloon, right?
Gold balloon? Yes, what kind of?
Like those?
Those ones?
Just like
yes,
regular.
you'd have to find them on the side right
Yeah, yeah, we'd have to pick them out ourselves. So we're gonna take my getting a balloon. Balloon expensive. Then I tell you that and I will tell you.
I'm halfway dressed. I just gotta do my hair and time is going on me right now. Ooh, it is already 12 o'clock. My heart is just racing. Yeah, starting a new business is exciting, but it's also scary. It's almost feel like, I don't know, like I'm going into an exam where my anxiety just goes through the roof. I know what I'm doing, but because I'm so anxious and I'm so worried about my mark, it makes me like go crazy in that sense, if you get what I mean. Whosoever that's been through school and know how it goes when it comes to test time or exam, you get anxious, but you just want to get it over and done with. So my heart, I was okay like a good half an hour ago, and I feel like my heart is literally coming out of my chest right now. But I just wanted to quickly come by. Faith and Memphis, well, Faith, Mario, and Arissa went out to go get a few little props. As you guys know, well, now you know, we are going live on Instagram, both Instagram page, business, and my personal page. And if you have not yet subscribed, or well, sign up to my Instagram, the link is right here. Make sure you are signed up to my Instagram. I do post on there, not as often as I should, but I do post, and I like to post motivational stuff at times. Yes, at times, but I do post, and a lot of times when I post certain things on there too, are statements or comments or quotes from other people. It's true, I like to post. When I see it, I post. So, and I also post clips and stuff of my life on there as well. So make sure, if you are not yet subscribed to me on Instagram, go and follow your girl at shanika.w. Guys, my heart is pounding. I am nervous. I don't even know why I am so nervous. Well, I know why I'm nervous. It's nerve-wracking. Starting a business, you don't know what to think. You don't know, you know, how it's going to be. You're hoping and wishing for the best. And listen, I just give God the glory that I'm able to come this far into doing this. So regardless of what happens today, I'm gonna keep a smile on my face and know that God has got me in this, and you guys have got my back too. So thank you all. Oh my gosh. And I would just like to give a special thank you to my husband for all of this. Yes, I would love to give a special thank you for my husband, because he has been so supportive. Yes, he's not physically there helping me with every ins and out, doing the research and stuff like that up late at night with me, but trust me, he's heard the stress at night when I'm up with my vendors going through it, and they're messing up my order, they mess up stuff, you know, but God has pulled through, and I've able to make this day happen. Certain things I wanted to do, I couldn't do because I needed to stay on budget, and I refused to go over my budget, but I am most grateful. Whew, yeah, This kind of feels like, no, it doesn't even comparing to the day that I get married. Man, I was almost late for my own wedding. Mario can tell you guys about it. Oh my Lord. It was a nerve-wracking day, but that's okay because he almost drowned in the tub the night before anyways, because it looked like he did not want to meet me at the altar. Love you, babe. But thank you so much for putting up with my crazy. Yeah, I know sometimes I am very, when it comes to having things a certain way, this is why I did not launch even earlier. I probably maybe could have without certain things, but I was like, no, I want my things set a certain way. So I am going to take the time and wait. So the time is finally here. And yeah, don't worry. I'm going to come back when my hair is all finished and put you guys up. And yeah, we'll see what the day has to offer. I don't even know what we're doing after I go live. And I really don't know if we're gonna go out for dinner. I don't know what we're doing. Maybe we'll just, maybe the kids then will make like a nice meal today, you know. Hopefully. Tomorrow's Fate's Day, so oh God. I'm never gonna hear the end of it because she's already started. So shh, don't tell her I said that. Yeah, she's like, yeah, Mom, remember tomorrow's my birthday. Da, da, da. So I have that as well coming up tomorrow, so I have another hectic day, but I don't even know what we're doing for her birthday, but we'll figure something out. We'll figure it out. But thank you guys so much, and I guess I will be back when I am fully dressed and my hair is done, so you guys could see the finished look. I'm gonna go outside. I have a few places that I want to go take pictures, but we'll see. I don't know if the weather is gonna let me, but we'll see how it goes, because I really want to take a couple of pictures for my launch so I could actually add them to my Instagram as well, because it is a milestone. And a year from now, I want to look back and said, you know, at least I went after not one, went after one of my dreams, you know. So it's definitely, and this is one thing that was on my vision board, guys, and it's coming to life today. Can you believe it? Ah, Lord. Okay, well, let me go finish doing my hair and I'll get back to you guys. Oh, where's it? Okay. Okay. We gotta hurry up. I think my thing is. Okay. So what do I do? So I am here doing my last bit of TikTok content. Like, it is crazy. I'm supposed to be live in less than 1 minute or so, a couple seconds.
I think that's the one that you did.
And look, my baby got my cake feet. Yeah, they didn't have it in black, but that's okay. Still grateful. Got the gold and silver. That's okay.
Yeah, I know. We asked for gold and black.
And
they're like, no, we don't have any gold or black.
Okay, all right, guys. So as you see, I am all dressed. And so this is my fit here with some heels down. Yeah. So this is the outfit. This is the look. Know your girl had to come out strong. Hey, it's a celebration, baby. So gotta come out strong. Whew. Okay, so it's time to go live. Let me sit down and go live. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am literally posting as I speak. I'm trying not to be behind. I am trying. Bear with me. Bear with me. Babe, are you gonna come open up the bottle? The champagne. Come pop the bottle when it's strike 12, 1 o'clock. I want you to pop the bottle, please. Wait, oh, where's my charger? Oh, Risa, could you go plug up my charger in over there and bring it? Come for me, please.
On this phone.
Cause I gotta go live on my business page. Hey guys! Oh my goodness. Thank you all who are here joining me so far. Thank you so much. It's been a long time since I've gone live. Okay, so I'm live?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. I don't know. Gosh, I don't even remember how to work Instagram live. It's been so long. It's been so long. Oh my Lord. Sorry for the delay. Yeah, I'm a little bit late as usual, but that's okay. My bad. My bad. Trying to figure out a filter for you. Did you do the other one? Okay guys, so the countdown is on. We are launching in less than 5 minutes. Ugh, my nerves is just up there. Up there. I literally just finished my hair, and well, my helpers, they just went out and grabbed what they need to go, and so my assistant is setting stuff up for me. I am running so late. Whew. But thank you guys who's is on the live. Thank you so much. I am nervous. It's been a long time since I've been live. Oh my. The other one's working. So yeah, oh my goodness. And I would just like to say thank you all in advance. Oh man, it's been a long time coming, and I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. I've been looking forward to this day for so long, for years. I am nervous, but I'm also scared because, as you know, launching a new business, starting a new business, starting anything new can be nerve-wracking. So, whew, yeah, so starting a new business can be nerve-wracking, but I just want to say thank you all for being here, and thank you for those that, if you had been on my email list, if you had signed up for the email list, you would have had early access to our website already. So thank you for those that signed up to the email list. I really appreciate the love, and yeah, enjoy, and let me know guys what you think of the site. Obviously it still needs some work, but I am happy with the way it is so far, and let me know what you guys think of the color scheme. And yeah, whew, I am nervous. I am saying "and" a lot. I am saying "and" a lot, but yeah, man, like I said, God is good. He is good. I've been waiting for this over 2 years. Like I said, I was supposed to launch, and certain things happen as business-wise, trying to get like license and stuff like that. But like I said, if you've been watching my vlogs, I will get into that at a later date. And yeah, but I've been working extra hard, losing sleep and everything. Man, who said opening a business was going to be easy? They lied to you. Because even with the YouTube and all that stuff, research that were saying, oh, you could open up a business in just 10 steps. They're lying. You can't open up a business in 10 steps. There is way more than that goes. There's sleepless nights. There's up with vendors, trying based on where you're getting your inventory and stuff from, talking to them back and forth. There's so much to consider. There's legal stuff that you have to make sure that are in place and everything as that. And there's the cost, the money. So I am so grateful for you guys just coming on here and being on here today, taking time out of your day to at least acknowledge, you know, my little business, but we'll speak it into existence, my big business, hopefully one day. Oh man, and we have a couple of minutes left till we are going live. So we are gonna go live together on the website. Let me see. And thank you for those that are going to make a purchase. Thank you for those that are just here. That is support as well. So any form of support is support, I believe in. Whether you're just reposting my business, you are commenting on my business page or anything like that, anything is pretty much support in my eyes, right? It doesn't have to be a purchase because people always look at it the wrong way. And I always say, who is for you is going to be for you, whether they choose to support you or not. And like they always say, who God bless, no man curse. Hopefully, I hope this is up and I hope it's actually released. Has anybody been able to sign on? Let me know if you guys are actually seeing the website. Oh, babes, can I use your phone? Let me actually check. I didn't even check to see if it's actually released on a different phone. Both my phones are going. Both the phones are going. What is this? Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me actually go and check if it is up. Give me 1 second, guys.
Oh,
Huh? It is? What? Don't play with me. Come over here. You come here and turn that way. No, turn here. Come over here. No, come here and turn that way so it shoots that way. Oh my god, babe. This way. I'm not playing with you. Come over here, babe. Turn this way. Mario, come and turn this way. Mr. Williams. Come on this side and hold it on this side. Okay, all right. So it is live. That's what it looks like on your phone. So make sure you go and check it out. Oh my goodness. I need to get me an assistant, guys. This was a lot of work and posting on my social medias all the time. So are you gonna open it? Oh, you didn't. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me go get the glasses. Mr. Williams forgot the glasses. Hmm? Yeah. Already? No, don't hit this way. Turn that way. You know. Holy? Okay. Turn the other way. I don't want you hitting your face. Ready? Oh my goodness. Ready? Go. Woo! Oh, I wanted it to explode.
Why?
Because you need to go out with a bang. You need to go out with a bang. Oh my goodness. I hope this tastes good. Guys, we had this wine sitting. How much years has it been? Almost 4 years. 4 years we've had this sitting. Mario got it as a gift from work, and yeah, that's how long we literally have it sitting. Woo! Cheers to you guys. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Come babe, let's toast. Just leave it. We'll toast afterwards. So I'm gonna go take some nice photos after this, and you guys will see them in a little bit. Okay, so cheers to a new business, a new beginning. And cheers to you guys. Oh Lord.
It's strong.
Yeah, it is strong. Holy moly. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little live. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and being on live with me today. I will catch you guys later. Bye guys. Cheer guys. Oh my gosh. So the website is launched. Yeah. Oh, God is good. God is great. And whew, blessed to the most high. I am utmost grateful. So what I'm going to do now is, well, I'm gonna go have some tea before I drink this. And we'll drink it a little bit later, even though it's after 1. It's happy hour somewhere else, but you know, for the festivities I wanted to do. And I got my cake to cut later. Oh my goodness. So we are going to cut the cake, and yeah, I'll see you guys outside. We're gonna go take some pictures before my makeup and my hair, you know, gets a little bit soiled. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. We are about to head outside to go get some pictures done, because girl need to get some pictures done. It is a special day, so gotta get a few photos, and plus I'm all dressed up, so looking good. Gotta take some pictures. So as you see, I just have on a black blazer, and I just got my flats on for now. So, and Rissa's gonna be my videographer today, and Faith is gonna be my photographer today, and of course I am the model. So Mr. Williams is gone. He's gonna about to go take a nap because he came in this morning, so he needs to sleep. Yeah. So but thank you again to everybody that showed up for the live, and everyone that's wished us well wishes. Thank you so much. It's greatly appreciated, and thank you for everybody that has purchased so far. Thank you. The love is great. Mwah, mwah. All right, chef kiss, guys. Let's go.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, you got me over.
gone. It literally blew away. So I only have the B. B for blessings. That's okay. B for blessings. Your girl is still smiling. The K is gone, but that's okay. I got a few good photos. So that is, I am at most grateful. But my K is gone. Oh, but that's okay. Oh, you really want to eat the cake now? Oh my gosh. But we gotta go figure out what we're going to eat because your girl is hungry. It is, what time is it? I don't even know what time it is.
It's almost 3 o'clock.
Almost 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything since morning. So Mr. William is partially snoozing because we're making noise. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It's a exciting day. So I'm going to go, well, figure out what we're going to eat, and then I guess maybe cut the cake. We'll see. Oh, so there is the cake, guys. I was gonna have my cake made, but unfortunately the person that was gonna do it for me, they are revamping certain stuff, so that's okay. I'm going to have to wait, but I am still gonna put in my order to get something anyways. So, and plus anyways, it was last minute. It was last minute notice, and generally that's not me, but on the whim I was like, I just thought about something and I was like, oh, maybe I should ask. So, but yeah, celebration has been good so far. I cannot complain. At least my house is clean and everything else, and we are just here. So yeah, I haven't even checked the site. I'm just leaving it, and yeah, so because it is Friday, so when orders get packed, they won't get packed and ship out anyways till next week. Yeah, so if you have ordered, it will be next week before your orders are shipped out, because yeah, they generally don't really ship out orders on weekends. So that's I always say, but that's okay. At least I didn't launch tomorrow, because then you still would end up having to wait. So, but the orders and stuff will be shipped out next week. So yeah, like I said, thank you guys for the support. And yeah, I seen so many traction on the website, which is good. But my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna change the battery just now and charge this one, and like I said, find something to eat because I'm hungry. Yeah, and then I guess we'll see you guys when we light the cake. Yeah. Yes. Finally decided to get out of the house. It is late.
It's raining.
Yeah, it is raining, but hey, they always say when it rains, it's always a blessing. And when the sun shines, it's even, well, both. When the sun shines, it's a blessing. When it rains, it's a blessing, both ways. Because you need the rain in order for everything to grow, and you need the sun as well. So either way, it's always a blessing. But anyways, we are out. I'm not sure where we're going. Mr. Williams just said get dressed, we're going out. So I am dressed and we're going out. Well, obviously I changed out of my outfit that I was in because it's hella cold outside. And if you guys had seen in the previous clip when me and the girls were out there trying to take pictures, yeah, it wasn't the best. And I lost my cane. My cane blew away. Oh my goodness. So yeah, my cane's gone.
You know how far that done? Where is that done?
What? I don't even know.
It can last how much do you think it can last?
I don't even know.
That number?
No.
You're going until you just scared them.
Oh, it was really nice. Anyways, I didn't even know it was like raining outside. We just literally finished watching a movie and stuff like that. We're just having a
What kind
chill
of traffic is this?
evening.
You're not cook.
If me not cook, no.
You don't feel like something hot?
And my feet feels it's cold over here. Feel over here. You can turn up the heat a little bit more.
What?
Yeah, you could turn up the heat.
Why? You
It's winter time.
Winter way.
I have you winter wear. No, my God. I have you winter wear. So we are just out and eat. Would I eat off his sweetie when you bring them in the car today? So I guess, well, I can't even give you guys no scenery because it is just rain.
No, there's no scenery. There is scenery, some brick light.
Yeah, and traffic is out here like crazy. So crazy traffic outside as well. But that's okay.
How about me go?
I don't know. Were you going the wrong way?
You better turn back. You can't go. Yeah, go right there, what me I say like.
Oh, the traffic. Oh my goodness. Yeah. There's a lot of new houses right there. They're building up.
You don't pass, man?
You
I can't walk past.
No.
Huh?
You can't walk past?
My black people will like walk. Listen, man.
You can't pass, but there's other people behind you. It's not her time anyways. The light's green, red.
Yeah, but no, I want to change.
Hey, look, a TV that she's watching her sitting right here. So I swear I was just seeing the person beside us. We are in traffic. This is a highway, and it looks like it's hardly moving.
Every time I park up on a bridge. Wait, maybe somebody get coffee now.
Oh my gosh. Well, it looks like everybody is. Just got home and your girl is exhausted. I am extremely tired. We are about to just, you know, get cleaned up, showered and all that stuff, and we're just gonna hang out and watch a movie for the night. I think Faith said she was gonna bake some brownies, so we're gonna have that and basically stay up because her birthday is in the next 2 hours. So yeah, we're gonna stay up and just count down her birthday and maybe cut the cake and eat. Well, or maybe not. We'll eat some brownies. But I'm coming to end the vlog here, and I just wanted to say, yeah, thank you guys for today. It was a great day, and thank you so much for your support again. I hope you guys have a good night, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it is always a vibes over here. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You